Welcome to the luxury of a spa day at home with the Solana Quattro Max hot tub from Blue Whale Spa. Powered by 4 Stormforce 7 pumps and featuring 60 premium jets, the Solana Quattro Max delivers the best hydrotherapy experience. With a sturdy 32 AMP power supply and an intuitive Balboa control panel, personalizing your leisure time has never been easier. Set the perfect temperature with the 3 kilowatts heater and enjoy maximum heat retention thanks to XXX insulation. The built-in Bluetooth sound system takes your relaxation to the next level, letting your favorite tunes accompany your moments of peace. Whether it's a sunny afternoon or a starlit night, this hot tub creates a memorable spa experience right at home. Elevate your relaxation and unwind in luxury with the Solana Quattro Max. 1 spacious lounger and 5 seats means everyone can find their favorite spot. And the foot massage and 43 LEDs add to the luxury spa experience this hot tub offers. With free steps, an insulating cover and 2 free filters, you'll have everything you could need to start enjoying your new hot tub after selecting the starter chemical pack from our website. We also offer free delivery and installation across the UK mainland when you reserve a date with just £99 deposit. Call our sales team today on 011595488888 to find out more. Experience the ultimate in home wellness with Blue Whale Spa.